Listen, if you're over 50 and your knees crack every time you stand up, if your back feels stiff after sitting for just 20 minutes, if your hands hurt when you try to open a jar, then I need you to stop whatever you're doing and give me the next few minutes. Because the truth is harsh. Aging doesn't slow down for anyone, and most seniors lose muscle and joint strength faster than they realize. But here's the surprise: most people never hear from doctors, dietitians, or TV experts. Sometimes the most effective therapy isn't in a bottle, a pill, or a hospital, it's in your fridge, waiting for you. Today I'm revealing 4 powerful yogurts that can reduce arthritis pain, rebuild muscle, improve balance, and help you regain mobility naturally, safely, and affordably. I'm a woman past 50 myself. I know exactly what it feels like when your joints say one thing, and your mind says another. You still feel young inside, but your body starts acting old, slow, stiff, weak, and easily tired. And honestly, it's frustrating. No sugarcoating. But here's the good news: you can fight back. You can rebuild strength. You can reduce pain. You can restore mobility. These 4 yogurts work because they fix the root problems, not just the symptoms. They reduce inflammation, feed your muscles, nourish your bones, and improve your gut health. These aren't random foods, they're backed by research and real-world results. And they're simple enough to add to your daily routine immediately. Why yogurt matters after age 50. Most seniors underestimate how fast the body changes. Let me break it down without fluff. 1. Muscle loss accelerates. After 50, your body loses up to 1% muscle every year, and after 60, the rate can double. That means weaker legs, slower walking, poor balance, and higher risk of falling. 2. Inflammation becomes constant. Arthritis is basically inflammation gone wild. Your body is fighting itself day and night, especially in your knees, hands, hips, and lower back. 3. Bones lose density. Calcium absorption goes down, vitamin D levels drop, and your bones become fragile. 4. Digestion weakens. Without strong digestion, your body can't absorb nutrients needed for muscle and joint health. 5. Joints dry out. Synovial fluid, the natural lubrication in your joints, decreases. That's why seniors feel grinding, cracking, and stiffness. Now here's why yogurt is such a powerhouse. High-quality protein to rebuild muscle. Probiotics that reduce inflammation. Calcium and vitamin D for bones. Healthy fats that protect joints. Easy for weak digestion to absorb. This is one of the few foods that checks all the boxes for seniors. The 4 powerful yogurts for seniors over 50. 1. Greek yogurt, your daily muscle repair tool. Greek yogurt is not a trend, it's basically the protein engine your body needs after 50. Regular yogurt is fine, but Greek yogurt is concentrated and strained. That means more protein, less sugar, more probiotics, 0 processed junk. Why it works? The protein in Greek yogurt is rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, that your muscles crave. After 50, every single meal must contain protein, and Greek yogurt makes it effortless. A single cup can give you 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which is exactly what your muscles need to repair themselves. Real results. Many seniors notice stronger legs, less shaking when standing, better balance, reduced fatigue during daily chores. Eat it in the morning to fuel your muscles for the day. 2. Probiotic yogurt, the inflammation destroyer. Arthritis is inflammation. And if you don't fight inflammation, no diet, medicine, or exercise will save you. Probiotic yogurt focuses directly on reducing the internal swelling that makes your joints stiff and painful. Here's what probiotics do. Reduce inflammatory chemicals. Balance gut bacteria. Improve digestion. Lower joint swelling. Improve nutrient absorption. Why seniors benefit the most. Gut health weakens with age. Poor gut health equals more inflammation. Probiotics reverse this damage and lower the inflammatory response inside your body. What you'll notice. After 10 to 14 days, your hands feel less swollen. Knee stiffness reduces. Morning pain decreases. Digestion improves. Energy level rises. Just avoid sugary flavored yogurts, those make inflammation worse. 3. Icelandic yogurt, SKYR, the strength plus bone protection combo. SKYR isn't just another yogurt. It's technically a cross between yogurt and cheese, and it's incredibly nutrient-dense. Icelanders have used it for centuries to stay strong in harsh weather and tough lifestyles. Why it's perfect for seniors. High protein, low sugar, high calcium, thick, satisfying texture. Keeps you full for hours. Bone benefits. After 50, bones lose density fast, especially in women. SKYR gives your body the calcium it needs to stay strong, paired with protein that supports muscle and bone tissue. What seniors report? Fewer cracks in knees, stronger legs, better walking stamina, reduced back stiffness, better appetite control. If your goal is strength, stability, and long-term joint support, SKYR should be in your daily routine. 4. Turmeric-yogurt, the natural arthritis painkiller. This is the yogurt almost nobody talks about, yet it's one of the most powerful remedies for chronic pain. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to reduce arthritis pain, swelling, and stiffness. Why this combo is effective? Turmeric reduces inflammation. Yogurt improves curcumin absorption. Black pepper boosts absorption even more. Probiotics soothe the gut. The mixture reduces joint swelling. Simple recipe. 1 cup plain yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. A pinch of black pepper. Optional, a little honey. Expected results. Within weeks, many seniors feel less knee pain, softer joint movements, reduced stiffness, improved flexibility. This mixture works especially well in the morning. How much to eat daily? Don't overcomplicate this. Seniors don't need fancy diets, they need consistency. Daily routine. 1 full cup of yogurt a day. Separate servings. 1 in the morning, 1 later if needed. No sugary flavored yogurts. No pairing with heavy fried food. Best timing. Greek yogurt morning. Probiotic yogurt after lunch. SKYR evening. Turmeric yogurt early morning. Choose whichever mix fits your lifestyle. What changes happen to your body? After 3 days. Digestion improves. Less bloating. More energy in the morning. After 7 days. Reduced stiffness. Noticeable digestion improvement. Slight decrease in inflammation. After 14 days. Stronger legs. Reduced swelling. Better mobility. Improved sleep because of lower pain. After 30 days. Significant reduction in arthritis pain. Stronger muscles. More stable walking. Reduced risk of falling. Feeling lighter overall. Consistent seniors get results. Inconsistent seniors don't. It's that simple. Mistakes seniors must avoid. Let me be blunt. If you're eating sugary yogurt, you're wasting your time. If you're skipping protein, your muscles will keep shrinking. If you eat yogurt once a week, nothing will change. If you're pairing yogurt with fried food, you're blocking absorption. If you're adding too much honey, you're feeding inflammation. Fix the habits, and the results will come. Who should avoid or modify this routine? People with severe dairy allergy. Seniors with severe kidney disease. Those taking strong anti-inflammatory medications. People with high phosphorus levels. Those with uncontrolled diabetes should choose unsweetened yogurt only. If unsure, ask your doctor, but for most seniors, yogurt is one of the safest foods available. If you're over 50, don't wait for your joints to get worse. Don't accept weakness as part of aging. Don't let arthritis control your life. These 4 yogurts can help you rebuild strength, reduce pain, and take back your mobility naturally. Start today. Your joints will thank you tomorrow, and your muscles will thank you every single day after that.